Dear valued global partners, thank you for your recognition of Volferda. As a global leader in modular housing, Volferda has garnered millions of social media followers worldwide. Volferda, as a global leader in cultural tourism, real estate development, and housing solutions, derives its product development inspiration directly from client needs, transforming customer-driven concepts into innovative, market-ready products. Volferda mission is to cultivate both material and spiritual fulfillment for all Volferda members, deliver cutting-edge product solutions for global partners, and drive sustainable value creation for human societal progress. Volferda vision is to pioneer as the global leader in cultural tourism real estate while building an enduring enterprise dedicated to sustainable well-being for generations. We can provide the following support to our global partners. First, competitive product offerings. Second, assistance in building efficient sales and after-sales teams. Third, access to local procurement leads. Fourth, professional technical and post-sales support. Fifth, customized product development for regional markets. Benefits of working with us. First, comprehensive market research. Second, local feasibility reports with product and sales strategies. Third, end-to-end sales training. Fourth, after-sales capability development. Our requirements is: first, ability to establish a local showroom. Second, familiarity with local construction laws and permitting processes. Third, access to installation and interior decoration resources for water or electricity. Join us in reshaping the future of global cultural tourism. Together, we turn visions into lasting value.